Oh, good on you. Bloody idiots. What the fuck are you doing? This idiot's gonna fucking do an illegal U-turn. Oh, good, aren't you? You're impatient, mate. See how ridiculous people can be in the wet. Instead of waiting, this guy just mounted up on the footpath to go around. Unbelievable. Oh, good on you, buddy. Bloody hell. Another bloody idiot that can't make up mind what lane to be in. Come on. Oh, thanks for your fucking indicator, dumb cunt. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Turn your fucking indicator off. You dipshit. Oh, he's fucking done that. What a fucking moron. Right beside me the whole fucking time, putting his indicator on, because where's he want to fucking go? Nowhere. You just wanted to fucking jump in the left lane like a fucking dick.
Continue straight through the roundabout onto Hope Island Road.
Oh, good one, mate. What sort of a move was that? From the far bloody far left lane right across. Oh, we'll turn right there, no indicator or nothing either. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Yeah, good on ya. Fucking pea plater. Do you mind putting your phone down? Oh, Christ. You're driving bloody forward and you've just got bloody eyes on the phone. Bloody red light runner. So the truck went through the red light, obviously. Oh, good on you, buddy. Bloody hell. Another bloody idiot that can't make up mind what lane to be in. Yeah, people, you think you got problems during peak time? This is the roundabout at Dreamworld that leads onto the freeway to the left, which is always gridlocked. Dreamworld on the right, and I'm going straight ahead. And the problem here is that people going on the freeway don't give a damn about people going straight ahead. They just want to block the road so you can't ever move, and you got to force your way out. So you got cars coming out of Dreamworld on the right, you got cars coming off the roundabout from the other roads going onto the freeway. Freeway's at a standstill, and you just got to push your way through here to get straight. So you think you got problems gridlocked hours? There you go. Some drivers are nice and they'll let you through. And look at all the traffic, all there, leading onto the freeway. So next time you think you've got problems in your local roads, have a look at that. What do you think of that, Scotty? Jesus, mate, I don't know. Is yours worse? What are you sitting there the fucking green light for, you dickhead? What a dick doing, mate? Whoa. What the fuck are you doing?
600 meters, keep left using the upcoming left lane.
And you didn't even want to fucking turn, so you didn't really need to do that. What a dickhead. New South Wales plate BZV72 X-ray. You're a dickhead. Look at him. There he goes. Now he's breaking the fucking law just to turn the corner.